everyone! Welcome to the channel dedicated to sharing the profound insights and wisdom of Andromedan contactee Alex Collier. If you're new here, you're in for a journey that expands your mind and consciousness, bringing you closer to understanding the messages from the fifth density Andromedan extraterrestrials. For those returning, we're grateful for your continued support. Before we dive into today's enlightening content, we have a small favor to ask. If you find value in the knowledge shared in this video, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us amplify Alex Collier's message, allowing us to reach a larger audience with these vital messages. We'd also love to hear from you, so please engage with the comments below. Whether it's a question, your thoughts, or even just an emoji for the sake of engagement, every comment counts. We read every single comment, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Additionally, if you'd like to support us further, consider giving a super thanks tip by clicking the heart with the $sign. This small gesture allows us to continue bringing you more of Alex's messages, unfiltered and directly from his lifelong experiences with the Andromedans. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
Medbeds by this fall. Wow, huge bombshell news by you in your last webinar. You always said you'd tell us more as soon as you had and could. Thank you. Fist bump. Can you now tell us more about them, please, sir?
I will know more when I've gone through it myself. And we are hoping that by the end of July to have had that experience. After that experience has occurred, I will be more than happy to share with you what I know. Okay? Until then, it's speculation. The tech is real. The tech was built in the 80s. It was a process of 5 different countries. It was shut down and shelved in order to protect the pharmaceutical companies. And now that tech is coming back out. It is coming out. It is being encouraged to move forward. That information will be shared when it's appropriate to do so. But it is real. I swear on my mother, it's real. It exists. Waiting sucks. You know, because we're tired, we're hurt, we're losing friends, loved ones. Life is life. We don't always like it. We don't always like the circumstances or the way it comes down. But our job is to evolve, survive, and to learn from all those experiences. And then to pass on that experience to those who will listen to it. As Richard Pryor used to say, you don't get old being a fool. And he was right. You do not get old being a fool. The moment I can share more and it won't jeopardize anything or compromise anything, I will be more than happy to share it with you. You know that. Okay? I've been doing this a long time. You know, you'd be the first to know. Because you deserve to know. We're in this together. Absolutely in this together. But the tech is real, guys. Not fantasy. I don't know about them building stuff in the moon. I don't know anything about that. Okay? I don't know what the military systems look like. I do not know. I do know what I do know. And There are machines that are here on the surface that work. And some of that tech has already been introduced to you, called the quantum wine wave. And it's Tesla. It's Tesla technology. It's Tesla. It's Tesla, okay? And there are other technologies out there as well that work too. And I've already covered that. This is not a race. It's not a contest, okay? This is about providing the technology to everybody so that we can all begin the process of healing each other, okay? And living longer lives, more fulfilled lives, living to swim with our great-great-grandchildren. You know, our ancient ancestors lived to be 900 years old. Okay? 900 years old. The genetic manipulations done to us shortened our lifespan dramatically. And it was unfair. It was unfair.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. If you have any questions relating to today's video, please also leave them below. We read all the comments and take on board what our viewers have to say about Alex Collier's work. Remember, your support helps Alex Collier's knowledge and the messages from the Andromedans reach more people. If you'd like to support the channel even more, you can give us a super thanks tip by clicking the heart icon with a $sign. It really helps our team bring you more content. Also, be sure to visit alexcollier.org to sign up for our regular email newsletter. It's the best way to stay updated with the latest news, exclusive content, and upcoming live webinars. For the latest insights from Alex Collier, check out alexcollier.live. And if you want to explore over 250 past webinars, head over to alexcollier.tv. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting Alex Collier's work. We couldn't do this without you, and we're genuinely grateful for your support. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. If you would like to see the Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.